Who is Jesus Christ? Revelation 22:21 and Revelation 22:16, KJV, Son of David, Son of God, Son of Joseph, Holy Spirit, conceived by the Holy Spirit. Tao ba siya? Porcelain? Or why is still hanging in all the Roman Catholic churches? And then why he allowing his spirits to carry the cross of every sinners from earth? What will be his once he save any human being? Kung Diyos ka, tama ba ang ginawa ni Jesus Christ? Because to be honest with you folks, based on my experience, ako, two things. Pwedeng he is correct and pwede rin hindi mali. Pero sa akin lang, gusto ko pumasok tayo sa langit na malinis ang ating kaluluwa. Pero bakit si Michael sirang-sira yung katawan at ang gastos-gastos pa? Why? So, is that worth it? Jesus